now one very famous song, Que Sera, Sera. Whatever will be, will be. I'm gonna play in regular tempo. Also, we are here. We have some dynamic. We are starting MF, mezzo forte, which is medium, and somewhere in the chorus, in the middle part, I'm gonna go louder, forte. Also, this song should be sound legato, smooth playing. Let me explain the right hand. Here you have to be careful. You have a lot of stretches, a lot of change to the fingers. Follow my fingers. I'm gonna explain everything very slow. Starting from C with thumb. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we have to stretch to A, G, A, G, E, F. You have time note. You have to hold here. By the way, this song is very good to work on chapters, section by section. So you can repeat one more time this part. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Stretch. 1, 2, 3. Hold. 2, 3. Now we have to jump, literally. From here, third finger I'm putting here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Careful now. G, B, C. This is new note here. This is B. This is C, so this is B actually. Look what we have. Now, like a homework, you can repeat from the beginning till measure 17, only right hand. And then when this part is done, you can go ahead. I'm gonna play now from 17. Pay attention to this stretch. 1, 4. This is C, C. 1 octave distance. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is also important. Look the stretch. 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 And then second finger here. Let me repeat one more time this. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Stretch. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Also very important. Now practice just the second part. The second part is starting from measure 17. Let me play one more time. Here you have stretch. Stretch. One, F hand is not very difficult. We have C, G, and in one place, two places, F. We have waltz rhythm. In the end you have G, then second line you have G, 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 only G, and back to the C. Third line, F, 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 C, fourth line, G, then C, F, C hold. Playing slow. Stretch. G major left. Prepare for the jump. B. Careful here. So my advice now to repeat one more time from the very beginning and then go ahead. Now I'm gonna continue from 17. Now you can go also louder because here we have sign F, fourth.